It's for only me to enjoy. You guys don't deserve that kind of enjoyment from Papa.
Hello everyone, what's up? No, it's good. My name is Angela in person of Impacted to Any Angel. Welcome to day 6 of a Christmas vlog. Are you excited today? Because I'm super excited. I have an early train to catch. Not early, but kind of early. And I need to get out of this house like ASAP. So I'm just gonna get dressed up and head out. Let's go. So what is a day without me using my moisturizer? Because that's the only thing I applied to my face anyway. So this jean is from Shein and my top is from Select.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
It's not funny. You guys, today I started shamefully. My taxi went to the wrong stop and now it's just coming here. Hello everyone, what's popping, what's good? My name is Angela, so I've been back to Any and you're welcome back to my channel. So guys, I know I promised I was going to post day 6 and day 7 of a Christmas vlog, and I'm going to do that today. Anyway, I had a very busy day yesterday, so I wasn't able to post anything or even edit any video yesterday, but I already came to Birmingham and it was a very rough journey for me. And I got to see my friend, and her family. I got to see my another friend and then I'll be leaving Birmingham today. Birmingham. I'll be leaving Birmingham. I'm leaving Birmingham. Let me pronounce it where I know how to pronounce it. I'm leaving Birmingham today, and yeah, I hope my journey is going to be smooth because they cancelled my train again. My train from a particular station, a particular city to another, so I had to book another train, and I'm hoping that these guys will refund my money because otherwise we will fight. So we'll enter the same Shokoto. Birmingham is so chill, but the weather is not giving. It's been like that for days and it'll be like that throughout December, and I'm not looking forward to it. What am I going to do today? I'm gonna see a friend and my other friend and then I will head back to my village again. So stay tuned. You guys, I got flowers yesterday. It was so cute and I loved it so much because it was from my friend. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys my flowers later in this video, okay? So I also saw my babies, my friends, 2 cute boys. And yeah, it's been a really fun night because my friend she's a very good cook. She's like a chef, but she doesn't do professional things. She just does it for her family, and her food is so amazing. Oh, too good. I wish I could be living in a house. I had something really nice, and yep, nothing much. Today is Sunday and they'll be going to church, and I'll be at my friend's place. So once they're back from church, I'll just return there and stay with them for a bit and then go back to my adubo. So it's a day to Christmas. It's Christmas Eve, guys. What? I can't believe it. Anyway, I don't know, because Christmas in this place, especially in my village, there won't be any taxi, there won't be buses functioning. I don't know where to go. So I think I'll be in my house doing absolutely nothing. I'm not sure I'm even cooking for Christmas. How is Christmas going at your side? It's gonna be a long boring day for me, I guess. Well, who cares? It's Christmas Eve. Have fun today. Enjoy yourself. I hope those chicken, those turkeys, those nice things every one of you wants to do against tomorrow are all ready. All right.
Where is it? Okay. Oh yeah. Express. Okay.
We've gone to so many places. We've gone to M&S, we've gone to Esco, we've gone to Aldi, we've gone to Outland.
What are we looking for? Oil.
This Jesus' birthday.
Everybody loves Jesus. He's the real deal. God. We're supposed to sit around here now. Abby? Foil bowl. You know that one they use for Christmas parties now, or I mean parties generally, where they serve food inside and they take food from to serve into the plates. That's what we've been looking for. And we haven't found one because everybody loves Jesus. Is that the alternative? Do you want it? Oh, that one is oven dish. How about the transparent one? Is it oven dish as well? They know the right price for them.
Oh, can you take
One more. It's heavy. But this one actually looks okay.
I love you doing for mouth.
Okay, even in front of my screen. I was saying that. Hey, Gabby. Or Gracie. Which one do you want? Gracie, Gabby.
I love you from. See you guys. This girl.
Who is this girl?
My friend. You guys. I want to tell you. If I tell
Say
you,
hi to my friend. Her name is Gabby.
you guys,
Hello.
If I tell you what I want to say.
Don't tell them anything. Don't worry.
Share it myself. I want to share it for myself alone. So only me to enjoy. You guys don't deserve that kind of enjoyment from Papa. Yes.
So I'll be leaving Birmingham. I call it Birmingham. I don't care. I don't really care. I'll be leaving Birmingham in few minutes time, and the time is 4:43, and I'll be leaving Birmingham by this time. I should be getting to my side 9ish, 9ish. So yeah, let's go. Let the journey begin. It's going to be a very fun stuff tomorrow here. Like my friend, she's ready to scatter everybody's stomach. Not scatter their stomach. I mean, in a good way, with food and many goodies. But I will not be yet to enjoy that because I have to rush back to my sadly. Anyway, I wish everybody all the enjoyments that there is to Christmas tomorrow and every other thing else. Oof, my Uber driver is here. Okay. Guys, I'm actually at the train station, catching the final train to my city. So I'm waiting for it while I charge my phone. Oof, I'm tired, guys. I'm so tired. Have you guys noticed something? My bros are looking trained. Anyway, we wait. You guys, I simply just got home and God, I must say it's been a very tiring day. I am exhausted. I am tired. I simply want to get into my bed right now without doing nothing. But I mean, I have to take care of my body before I go to bed, right? So thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for being patient for day 6 that I couldn't post yesterday, which I'm doing tonight. And the time is 21:34. The time is 9:34. I'm just getting home. See you in my next video tomorrow, and Merry Christmas in advance, y'all. Have a good night rest. Till then, stay safe. Adios.